Be careful sitting back down there. Hello, everyone. Good morning. The distance formula. Okay, Focaroonies, here we go. The Fast and the Furious. The Fast and the Furious. Why are we doing the distance formula? Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay, yeah. So it is the it's part of the radicals unit because of the huge radical that you see in the formula itself. Okay, and so when we use the distance formula, okay, we are finding the distance between the 2 points that they give you. So you have to imagine, it says, what is the distance between these 2 points, right? So you have to imagine these 2 points on the coordinate plane, okay? So, and what have I always said back to unit 3, tres, okay? What do we do when automatically when we are given those 2 points? Do it now, label it x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So you have already, okay, titled the distance formula, and you rewrote the formula with the empties, okay? So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to take the formula, okay, draw the radicand, okay, and you're going to x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y. Oh, excuse me. What did I just do? I wrote the formula instead of rewriting it with the empties. Okay, so rewriting it with the empties, so you just have the subtraction symbol. There we go. Okay, in between. And you make your life simple and easy, okay, when you label and label, okay? Your first point gets your x sub 1, y sub 1. Your second point gets your x sub 2, y sub 2. And we're writing this as I'm writing it in your notes. Yes, we are actively participating, and the brains are alive. Moving on. Okay, so where's the marker? Here we go. Okay, so all you have to do now is the math, right? Okay. Here we go. So you have your x sub 2. What is your x sub 2? 7. What is your x sub 1? 1. Okay. What is your y sub 2? 9. Okay. What is your y sub 1? 1. Okay. Okay. So now that we've put things, I'm going to see if I can just quickly on the spot. No, that would make it worse. Okay, moving on. So now that we have filled in the empties, okay, now we can do the math. This is, you guys, okay, the part that everybody, these are where the most mistakes are happening, okay? Just like when we did the quadratic formula and we had the that radicand with the b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant in it, and that's where, order of operations came into play and where all of the mistakes happened. Well, same thing here, okay? So you just have to do order of operations. Please excuse. Please means what? Do what's inside of parentheses first, okay? So what's inside of these parentheses? 7 minus 1, right? So 7 minus 1 is 6. And then do it again because we have another parenthesis, okay? Which is 9 minus 1, okay? Which is going to be 8, okay? Okay, so we did, please for parentheses, now excuse for exponents. 6 squared is what? 36. Do it now. Okay, and 8 squared is what? 64. Okay, and now there's no multiply or divide, and now there's add or subtract, there's add, so we're going to add. Okay, and are we done? No, because we haven't done what the radical is asking us to do, which is to take the square root of what is inside, and the square root of 100 is 10. Is this the answer though?
Yes.
Is that the answer?
No.
No. Okay. Well, some students do that. They think that, well, I'm taking the square root of 100, and they say 10, and then they put that radical over it without even knowing that they are doing it. So don't make that mistake. When you have taken the square root of something, okay, you're done. You did what it asked you to do, and that is the whole number 10. That is your answer, and that's a wrap. Miss Kamika, please